Hello, and welcome to my video on the January 2019 Algebra 2 Regions, question number 23. So on this problem, we were told the scores on a mathematics college entry exam are normally distributed with a mean of 68 and a standard deviation of 7.2. Students scoring higher than one standard deviation above the mean will not be enrolled in the mathematics tutoring program. How many of the 750 incoming students can be expected to be enrolled in the tutoring program? So with this problem here, because we have normally distributed data, I'm going to, as we did in class, draw a normally distributed curve, my bell curve, and I'm going to put the mean of 68 right here in the middle. So that's where our mean goes. And now they want to know how many of the students will be enrolled in the tutoring program. And we are told that students have to score higher than one standard deviation above the mean to not be enrolled. So one standard deviation above the mean, which would be 7.2 above 68. So 68 and add to that 7.2. That would give us 75.2, and that's right here. So those students who score above this again will not be enrolled in the mathematics tutoring program, which means that everyone below here is going to be enrolled in there. And so what we can do, if you recall, we can go to our calculator and second bars, and we want to select normal CDF, and we're going to want to set up a lower value and upper value, and to make sure we know what to put in for that funny looking u, or the term mu, and lowercase sigma into our calculator. So the lower value, since we want this percent of data, which goes all the way out to the left, that means that as a lower value, we want to input negative 9999. The upper value, we're going to go right up to this spot here, so that would be 75.2. You should remember that the mu is equivalent to the mean, which in this case is 68. And the sigma is our standard deviation of 7.2. So if we go to our calculator, and again we want to hit second bars and normal CDF, option 2, and for the lower we said we're going to enter in negative 99999. The upper value was 75.2. The mean was 68, and the standard deviation was 7.2. And we hit enter, enter, and then from this we get our value here of 0.8413447 is the probability. So we can use that to help finish off our problem here. So this is being our probability. They didn't want the percent, they wanted the number of students. So what we can do is we can just take 750, multiply that by this decimal, and when we multiply 750 by this decimal, which is the decimal equivalent of the percent of students who are going to be in the tutoring program, we get an answer of 631, which is choice 1, and thus the answer to this particular problem. So I hope that this particular video helped you out with this problem. As always, good luck with your studies. Thank you for watching, and take care.